this is our RC car. We are going to modify it into rechargeable. So we are going to open it. So this is the interior of our RC car. So we are going to keep the battery here. This is lithium battery, model 18650, 3.7 volt. So we are going to connect the wires which are connected to battery. We'll connect them to lithium battery. There is already DC socket to charge the batteries, which are rechargeable 1.5 volt. So we don't have these batteries, and those are very costly. This is 3.7 volt battery, which we can get in laptop batteries. So we are disconnecting wires which are connected to batteries. This is for charging the battery, and this is for power off our chip. This is negative. So now we will solder the wires to battery. These both wires will be connected to positive of our battery, and these both wires will be connected to negative of our battery. So I am sticking with Fevikwik. So we had stick to the battery. Now we'll on it and test it. This is the remote. You can check the left and right. I am pushing the forward button. Now we'll keep it, and we have to screw it. So this is our charging port. So this is lithium battery charger which we have made. So link in the description of this video. So this is the DC pin which can be easily fit inside this DC socket, as you can see. So I'm going to add these both wires to here. This is positive and this is negative. So we'll add it. So we have attached this DC pin to lithium battery charger. Now we'll test it. I have plugged in. You can observe the light now. I'll keep it to adapter. You can observe the light. It is red light because the battery is charging. As I remove the DC pin, it turns into blue.